I'll guide you through maximizing the Walmart app for massive savings without having to clip paper coupons or waste time searching for outdated price matching tools. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To earn money back on your daily essentials on the Walmart app, forget the old savings catcher as it's officially discontinued, and focus exclusively on Walmart Cash. Also understand that most savings are now opt-in, so you must engage with the app to ensure you aren't leaving money on the table. Here are the 4 savings options available on the Walmart app. The Walmart Cash System. This is a digital rebate program that earns you actual cash back on thousands of everyday items, which you can spend like currency. To master the Walmart Cash System, tap the in-app scanner while browsing store shelves to find Walmart Cash Available tags on the products you're already buying. Tap the plus icon on product pages to link manufacturer-style digital offers directly to your account. Toggle the Walmart Cash switch in your digital wallet at checkout to pay for your groceries using your accumulated rewards balance. This turns your previous shopping trips into an instant discount on your current total. Walmart Pay. This is a secure, contactless payment tool that automatically stacks all your saved discounts and rewards into a single scan. For a seamless Walmart Pay experience, add your preferred payment card to the Wallet tab to enable contactless QR-based transactions. Scan the register's QR code with your phone to automatically apply your Walmart Cash, employee discounts, and digital coupons in 1 second. Save your digital receipts within the app history to maintain paperless records for effortless returns and budget tracking. This ensures you never miss a deal while keeping your checkout faster than ever. Walmart Plus Member Exclusives. If you are a Walmart Plus member, navigate to Member Tools to access a unique fuel QR code that saves you up to 10 cents per gallon at Walmart, Murphy, and Exxon stations. Monitor your app alerts for early access deals to snag Black Friday and seasonal rollbacks before they are available to the general public. Use the Scan and Go feature while walking the aisles to bag your items as you shop and bypass the checkout lines entirely. Online, pickup, and delivery optimization. To optimize online and pickup orders, tap the I'm on my way button when heading to the store so associates have your order ready the moment you park. Browse the Deals tab frequently to capture online-only rollbacks that aren't marked on physical store shelves. Remember, you must manually tap Add on every Walmart Cash offer, as these savings are never applied automatically just for purchasing the item. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.